If you want to remove objects from photos on Samsung Galaxy A27, all you have to do is you need to open the Gallery app. Now over here we want to open the photo that we want to edit, from which we want to remove something. So let's say I'm going to choose this one over here. And then we're going to tap on this pen that we have at the bottom of the screen. Now once you go to the photo editor, you want to tap on the circles that we have on the right side, and you should be able to find the object eraser. Now if you use it for the first time, we need to tap on continue over here. Then we need to wait for suggestions. So if you have any suggestions, of course, you can use them to erase something. And you can also just tap or draw around anything that you want to remove from your photo. So let's say I'm gonna draw a little shape around this object that I have over here. Once it is selected, I can tap on the erase button. Now we need to wait a couple of seconds to let it be removed. There we go. Now, as you can see, there is something left, like a bunch of different, like shadow or something left after removing the object. What you can do is you can select that thing, whatever is left, in case that is, of course, the case, and you can just erase that as well. And of course, you can just keep going all the time until you are satisfied with the result. There we go. So sometimes it does a pretty good job and you don't have to make any fixes whatsoever. And sometimes, unfortunately, we have to make some adjustments here and there. And you can just tap on done whenever you are done with the photo and just save it here in the upper right corner. You can also tap on these three dots in the upper right corner in order to save as a copy so you keep the original photo. Leave a like and subscribe.